Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this food stall design. So let's continue with it. So now we are going to create this roof over here. For making this roof, what we'll be doing over here is like we'll be using again a line over here. We can also use a line, or we can also use a arc over here. We can easily use a arc also over here. So we can use a arc also over here. So you can just go into this arc over here, and you can just take this arc. Now after doing this, I'll go into rendering, enabling viewport, and I'll make it increase its width over here. So let's increase its width over here. Go into hierarchy, affect pivot only, and just make it center to object. So you can still reduce, push it down more if you want. So as you can see over here, we have you can just select this and also increase its width if you require it. You can just push this over here. Now go to the top view over here, and in the top view, let's take again a line over here. Let's take a line and make it as radial over here, and let's just push this line onto the top over here. Again, make a copy of it. So if you look at it properly, you have to make a copy of that particular line over here. So just push it over here. So duplicate this. Let's go into this view and duplicate it over here. After that, you can just select this, and if you really require it, you can just increase a bit of its thickness over here and go into the line, just push this inside. So that shouldn't come out from that. So again, we'll just go over here and just give a mirror, copy it, and just drag it perfectly, and we'll make one more copy. I'll go into this view over here, and I'll just push it up. Now what I can do over here is like we'll be creating these lights. Before we start creating these lights, what we'll be doing is let's take a line over here. So let's go over here and let's take a line till here. So after taking a line, we reduce its thickness over here, and now let's go into this and let's take a cylinder over here. So I'll just make a cylinder over here, just push this up, height segments, and let's make it as a tapper over here. So right click, convert to editable poly, press 4 over here and just extrude it up. You can just scale it if it is required, and make sure you bevel it fully, and just click OK over here. So you can just select this over here and just give a bit of inset over here and just give a bit of bevel inside and click OK. That's it. So once you're done with this, you can just go over here to the top view and just place it at the right place. Okay, so select this and so just place it at this right place over here and this way. So now what I'll be doing over here is we need a small kind of a clamp over here. So let's again go to this top view and let's just make a small cylinder over here and just push it on top over here. So just scale this down a bit, select this. So can select this and this, and you can just push this till here. Now what I can do over here is like I'll be making a copy of it over here at the center over here. So let's select this, select the vertices of that and just select this and just push this up. So select this and this. So if you look at it, you can just push it more up and just join this till here. So same will go with this also. Save your file once. So select this and this and just make a small copy over here. And that's it. So now we'll go over here and let's just take one box over here like this, which is just connecting this over here. Just push this over here and reduce its height. That's it. Alright. So we can just select this whole stuff over here and just give a color to it. Now select this part and this part. So just make a copy of it, scale it over here and just push this up over here. So let's just push this in front over here and push it up till here, and make sure it's coming at the right at the center in that way. So save your file again over here. Now what we have is this backside table. So we'll just model that. So just push this in front. Let's go to the top view, take a line over here. Let's take a line over here and just draw it till here like this. So we'll go into this rectangular, increase its length and increase its width over here. Just push it up, increase, decrease this length right away over here. So still you can reduce its length over here. Convert to editable poly. So we'll just go into this, go into the edges over here, and I'll just put one connect up over here, and I'll just click OK. So I'll go into this polygons all over, and just give a extrude by local normal and just reduce it. I think you can just exclude this part, that would be much better, and click OK. That's it. So you can just save your file over here. You can again save your file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.